Two-bedroom staycation sa Bulacan na good for 8 packs. Tara, yung mga kanoos, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpadid sa Urban Deca Home sa Bangan Sur sa Marilao, Bulacan para mag-staycation sa AD's Place. For the community amenities, pwede kayo mag-swimming sa kanilang swimming pool, may parking area, garden area at basketball court. For the unit, self-check-in is the key kaya walang hassle. Maluwag ang unit as you can see. Ito yung kitchen area na provided na ang basic appliances like refrigerator, microwave, rice cooker at iba pa. May cooking wares at may mga dining wares na rin. This is their dining area with 4-seater table. Ito naman yung living room na may sofa bed, smart TV na kumpleto sa subscriptions like Netflix, Prime, Disney at YouTube Premium. Pwede din kayo mag-videoke with their wireless microphone. May board games and card games na rin na pwede gamitin. May comfort room na din na may shower, toilet and sink. For the rooms, very cozy na mga bed sila. This one has queen size bed at may working table na. The second one has double deck bed naman. May balcony area, honesty store, may free wifi, complimentary toiletries, provided towels and sleepers. At ito naman ang kanilang mga rates for your reference. O ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara na dito sa AD's Place sa Marilao, Bulacan. Let's go!